Hello everyone, welcome to Go Get My Guru. In this video, let's discuss about assigning function to variable. So what does this mean? Can you assign a function to variable? So till now, we have discussed about we can assign a value to variable. But is it possible to assign function to variable? Yes, it is possible in Python. So how we can do that? Let's check that. So first, we'll define a simple function which calculates area of square. So let's say define calculate. This is my function name. What is the area of square? Area of square is side into side. So let's pass argument as side, and then this function should compute area of square and return its result. So side into side. Now here comes how we can assign a function to variable. So I'll define a new variable called area underscore square. So to this variable, I'm going to assign calculate function. Note here that I am not using parenthesis after the calculate. So now area of square, I'll pass the value to this argument, that is side argument. So I'll pass value as 9 here. Since we need to check the answer, let's print this. Now let's run this and check what happens. So here you can observe the result as 81. That is 9 into 9 is 81. So what I'm doing in line number 7, I'm just assigning this function to a variable. So what it does, this variable area underscore square points to the reference that is pointed out by calculate. So basically it is copying a reference. Once the reference is copied, whatever the function it has been defined, it is now called by this area underscore square. So in line number 8, I am using this variable area underscore square to call this calculate function. So what is the use of this? Many of you might be having a doubt. When I can call this function directly, what is the use of assigning it to a variable and then calling with that variable name? So using this variable name, you can call this function as many times as you want. So when I tell that as many times as you want, what is the use? Of course, code reusability is increased using this way. I hope you are clear. So this was just a simple function to make you understand what is the use of assigning a function to variable. So in the upcoming sessions, we will be discussing about decorators, where you will see the actual usage of this method, that is passing a function to variable. I hope you are clear about this. If you like our videos to support us, leave us a feedback in the comment section. Have you subscribed to our channel? If not, request you to click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon to receive regular updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next session. Keep coding. Happy learning.